Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a string into an ASCII. So first, we need to prompt the user for their message. Next, we were going to create a variable, and then, we used the list function to convert the bytes object to a list of integers. Inside the list, we will use the encode method to convert the message to its ASCII representation. The encode method takes a string and returns a bytes object that represents the string encoded in a specific encoding format. In this case, we're using the ASCII encoding format. Finally, we print the converted message to the console. So when we run this program, we'll be prompted to enter a message. Once we do, the message will be encrypted and the encrypted message will be printed out as a list of integers. And that's it. You now have a Python program that can convert any message to its ASCII representation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next one.